So last week, I went ahead and I used my 7-minute meal planning system where I place ingredients that I need to use for dinner time into these bins that are labeled with each day of the week. Then I write down the meals I want to use on this magnetic board and I place that onto my refrigerator. And I have to tell you, this really saved me at mealtime. All I had to do was basically pull these bins out of the refrigerator when I needed to make dinner, and I was able to whip up a lot of really healthy and delicious meals for my family. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 meals that I prepared straight from these bins using my meal planning system. So if you're new to my channel, I hope that you like this video and subscribe for more plant-based meal planning and meal prep tips and tricks. So let's dive into my meal planning bins for this week. So on Monday night, I baked up that tofu with the sweet chili sauce from Trader Joe's, and I cooked up the vegetables in my little cast iron wok and served these with a side of steamed brown rice. And this was so delicious and hearty. My family really loved it. Then for Tuesday night's dinner, I prepared a homemade pizza dough. Then I baked the pizza in this cast iron skillet here with the vegan pesto from Trader Joe's, those sliced mushrooms, and some white beans. And this was so delicious as well. My family really loved the homemade pizza dough that I made in my Panasonic bread machine, and this was so cheap to prepare. Then for Wednesday night's dinner, I baked up the barbecue tofu. I served it with a side of vegan mashed potatoes and some roasted broccoli and carrots. So on Thursday, I shared a video of how I meal planned for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of this week. And next, I'm going to share with you the meals I prepared straight from those meal bins. It's Saturday right now, so I still haven't done Sunday, but I just really wanted to share with you what I prepared already this week. So first off, I made this delicious vegan queso sauce, and then I poured that over some tortilla chips with some black beans that I cooked in my Instant Pot as part of my meal prep. You can check out that meal prep video that I also shared for more details on how I prepared these meal prepped ingredients, but these nachos were so delicious and my family really loved them. I served them with some chopped up avocado and red onions on top, and it was so good. Now, here's another drink that I love preparing, and I pulled the grapefruits out of my Saturday bin. So I just blended up 2 grapefruits, 1 orange, and 1 lemon that were all peeled with some water and some stevia extract in the blender for about 1 minute. And I love pureeing up my citrus like this. It just makes it really easy to eat the citrus. And it's just a really nice, refreshing beverage to have already meal prepped in the refrigerator. So I pour myself a glass, usually when I've blended this, and then I pour all of the remainder into some ball glass jars with their leak-proof lids, and I store those in the refrigerator for about 3 or 4 days, or just depending on how quickly I end up enjoying this beverage. But this is a really great way to get vitamin C into my diet, as well as just kind of give myself something really light and refreshing to enjoy throughout the day. And if you're looking for printable PDFs of recipes, check out my members section here on YouTube. Members to my channel and get to download my printable PDFs that I share throughout the month. So definitely consider becoming a member if you're interested in more vegan, plant-based recipes. Now, as part of my meal prep that I did on Friday in my Friday meal prep video, I showed you how I make my everyday sandwich bread in my Panasonic bread machine. So right now I'm slicing up my 100% whole wheat French bread loaf that I prepared the day before. This is so delicious. It's packed with fiber, and whole wheat has a lot of protein. It has a lot of B vitamins. It has a lot of really great minerals in it. So I I really love incorporating whole wheat into my diet as often as possible. So to pair with that whole wheat bread, I did pull from my Saturday bin and I prepared this delicious red lentil stew that's so delicious. It's packed with protein. All I did was saute up some carrot, celery, and onion. Then I put in some red lentils. Then I seasoned it with turmeric and garlic powder and salt and put it in my Instant Pot for 7 minutes on high pressure, and that was it. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed going over these meals with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.